My name is Vishnu Gopal TV. I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I'm from Cooperative School of Law, Kerala. I'm a third year student pursuing BBA LLB Arts. So today's topic for this video is Article 31 of the Indian Constitution. The purpose of this video is to speak about Article 31. So the word property is derived from a Latin term propertiatat, which is having a meaning that a thing owned. So the concept regarding this property is having a very relevant place in the life of human beings, and we know that the property and its ownership are always related to one another. Ahrens had given a good definition to the word property. So Ahrens had defined property as it is a material object to the immediate power of a person. So the right to property, which has been mentioned under Article 31 of the Indian Constitution, which was a fundamental right, was omitted by the Constitution by the 44th Constitutional Amendment of 1978. This amendment abolished the right to property as a fundamental right to a constitutional right and held it under Article 300A of the Indian Constitution. So, Article 331A of the Indian Constitution is to facilitate agrarian reforms, and hence the protection is not applicable. This protection which has been under this Article 31A. It is not at all applicable to a law which seeks to modify the right of the owner without any agrarian reform. Therefore, the right to property, it is not an absolute right, which is but it is only a constitutional right which has been guaranteed under Article 300A of the Indian Constitution. So the case that has to be looked into is Vajaralu versus Special Deputy Collector, and here in this case the court held that acquisition under Madras Amendment Act 1951 is not an agrarian reform. So the reason for this is that it was created for clearing the slum but also for the housing scheme, hence it is held not to be an agrarian reform. Article 31C of the Indian Constitution empowers the state government as well as the parliament to enact laws under the directive principles of state policy, which has been specified in Article 39B and C, where such laws cannot be challenged upon the violation of fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 14 and Article 19 and Article 31 of the Indian Constitution. So another important case is Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, and here in Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, the court clearly held that the laws which has been enacted by the state legislature and the parliament can be subjected to judicial review if it destroys the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. So the second stage of Article 31C of the Indian Constitution arose upon the 42nd Constitutional Amendment, and the amendment gave a complete protection to the laws which has been passed under the directive principles of the state policy under Article 39B and Article 39C, which gives a dominance to directive principles of state policy over the fundamental rights. So another case that has to be looked into is Minerva Mills versus Union of India case, and here in this case the court clearly held that 42nd constitutional amendment is clearly unconstitutional because it destroys the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. So the court also pointed out that in order to achieve the objective of the Indian Constitution, both the fundamental rights as well as the directive principles should be balanced. So that is the main thing which has been held here. So we have analyzed about Article 31 and its right to property and some of the case laws, and we have gone through Article 31C and also looked into some case laws such as Minerva Mills versus Union of India and Keshavananda Bharati case, as well as Vajaralu versus Special Deputy Collector, and many other such cases which has been related. So we have analyzed all part of our topic. So that's all about the topic. So you can subscribe, as well as you can comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Lexcliq. Please give me a feedback regarding this video, and if you have any questions relating to this video, you may please mention that question in the comment box. I will be replying as soon as possible. And this video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India and the sole purpose of this video is for education purposes only. So by saying these words, I'm concluding. Thank you.